Hey, thanks for checking in a weather bug on this Monday, first Monday of February 2014. We're talking about a very active start to the month. The upper level winds have changed, and we'll show you that in a second. But the cold air continues to the north with moisture still showing up in the west, which is great news considering that California now is, in spots at least, dealing with its worst drought ever in recorded history, at least the classification up to exceptional in parts of west central California. This was the view out of Wichita Falls in Texas. You can see some heavier snowfall amounts there. But just from the weekend, again, look at that snowy stripe from, say, northeastern Kansas all the way up into the lower Michigan regions there. 4 to 8+ inches in a few spots. And this is, again, our secondary winter storm of the weekend. You can see that still lingering, but shifting into the places like Baltimore, Washington, D.C., even up near New York with some pretty decent snowfall amounts. And as we widen out here, that third storm system, which is going to be taking place tomorrow all the way through Wednesday, and that snow spot looks to be just a little farther north than the one yesterday. So here's that secondary storm system, and it's kind of hard to keep up to date with all of these, but that one shifting east. And then here's that third one rounding California's southern coastline, and that brought some much needed precip in those areas. So take a look at this trough of low pressure and ejecting up into the midsection of the nation by midweek, and yet again another trough of low pressure looks to be developing by late this week. Each one of these troughs of low pressure as they swing out into the plains brings us a pretty decent shot of moisture. And there you go, starting late tonight through Tuesday and Wednesday on the southern flank of this, near that cold front. We could have some showers and thunderstorms, but 5-day precip looks pretty impressive there in the eastern two-thirds of the country. And there's your snowfall amounts coming in as we take you through midweek, which looks to be shovelable in many spots.